want to show you. I got this electrical wire here. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And it's a 25-foot roll. And it's the 3-conductor. I'll show you here if I can show you. It's, we got the little label here, but it's a 600-volt 3-conductor up to 55 amps. I'm not sure if it says that on there anywhere, but it is up to 55 amps. And it can be used for your high-demand stuff, for water heaters and ovens and dryers and stuff like that. But it is an indoor for dry conditions. You don't want to use it outdoors or anything. It's got this fire-resistant insulation, the PVC insulation on it, copper conductor. So it is less likely to corrode and stuff. You got your 3 conductors in there and stuff. But one thing I will tell you about this is it is super, super, super stiff. I mean, you can just see how, I can barely even, bend it here and stuff. It is so super, super stiff to use. So just so you know, because, of course, when you're using, use all the regular safety precautions. And if it's possible, you'll want to probably use a conduit to avoid damage to it and stuff. But yeah, it's actually really solid, really nice. But my only thing here is it's very, very, very stiff as far as being able to bend it and use it and stuff. But yeah, very good, very hardy stuff. And it comes in different length of rolls. This is the 25-foot, but I think it also comes in 50 and longer too. But anyway, yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending that.